Click on the link below to get price. The Burley Encore X is a versatile and thoughtfully designed two-seat bike trailer and stroller, intended for families seeking to enjoy outdoor activities with their young children. Its dual functionality as both a bike trailer and a stroller enhances its appeal, allowing parents to transition seamlessly from cycling to walking. This flexibility is especially valuable for families looking to explore diverse environments with ease. Upon first glance, the Burley Encore X exhibits a modern and streamlined design, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame that promotes ease of transportation. The trailer accommodates up to 2 children, making it suitable for families with multiple children or for outings with friends. The interior space is designed to provide comfort, with adjustable seat backs and padded seating that aims to enhance the overall riding experience. The trailer also includes a 5-point harness system, which is essential for securing children safely during rides. One notable feature of the Encore X is its spacious storage area, located at the back of the trailer. This compartment can hold items like snacks, toys, or extra gear, making it convenient for day trips or longer excursions. The trailer is also equipped with large, durable wheels that are designed to handle various terrains, from paved roads to gravel paths. The suspension system aims to provide a smooth ride, which is particularly beneficial for children who may be sensitive to bumps. Transitioning from bike trailer to stroller involves a simple adjustment that does not require additional tools. This feature is valuable for parents who may need to park their bikes and continue their journey on foot. The stroller mode allows for easy maneuverability, supplemented by the front swivel wheel, which can be locked for stability during jogging or on uneven surfaces. In summary, the Burley Encore X presents a well-rounded option for families who enjoy outdoor activities. Its dual functionality, comfortable seating, ample storage, and adaptable design make it suitable for a variety of uses. Whether cycling through scenic trails or strolling through the neighborhood, this trailer and stroller combination aims to provide a convenient and enjoyable experience for both parents and children alike.